I finally got my ring light. Let's unbox it together. Thanks, Mom. This is for my amazing sunshines, so you can see my face better. Hehe, this is so hard tone packed, so much brown tape. Who knew that the tripod stand come wrapped like a secret treasure chest? So much cardboard. Wow, look at this tripod, it is huge. Makes a perfect zombie weapon if the apocalypse comes. Hehe, intrusive thoughts. It stands nicely. No furthering light, more brown tape, of course. But look at this lavender and black packaging, so pretty. I've always wanted a ring light. Mathing how to set the parts together.